Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to find hidden chat on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Go tap open your WeChat application and sign into your account if necessary. First, let me show you by hiding the chat. To hide a chat from your chat screen, press hold a conversation that you'd like to hide, tap on hide chat, and from the pop-up, select hide. As you can see that the chat has been hidden from your conversation screen. There might be some private chats of yours that you'd like it to stay hidden in the conversation screen so that no one else will be able to see the chats from your WeChat. Once you've hidden the chat, in order to look for it, go to the search button at the top of the screen, tap it on, and type in the name of the contact that you just hid. Once you type in their name, the search results will appear on the display. Tap on the respective name that you're looking for, and you'll be able to find yourself in the conversation screen with that person. Now, all you need to do in order to unhide the conversation back to your conversation screen is to go ahead and type in a text message to the person and tap on send. Once you send a text message, you'll be able to find the conversation back to your conversation screen. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.